Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening. I'm Emma Novita from 489 kelas UPT Bahasa Universitas Sriwijaya. Hello Yuli.
Hello, ma'am.
Did you know that the Impressionist movement started because some artists were unhappy with how their work was received by the traditional arts community?
Really? When did that happen?
It was back in 1874. A group of artists decided to hold their own exhibition because they weren't satisfied with the academic arts establishment of the time.
That's interesting. So, what was unique about their style?
Even though their style were different, they all share the ability to capture a moment and preserve it on canvas.
I see. Did they use any new technique or tools to achieve that?
Yes, they did. One of the key innovation was a new type of brush that gave artists more control over their work.
That must have been quite helpful. Well, were there any other innovation that influenced their work?
Definitely, the collapsible tin tube was another important invention. It allowed them to preserve oil paint without altering its color.
I can imagine how that would be beneficial. It must have made painting much easier.
I can imagine how that would the beneficial. I must have made painting much easier. Absolutely, the tin tube was portable, which meant artists could work outside and capture scan in real time.
That's explain why Impressionist paintings feel so fresh and alive. Were there any other innovation that contribution to their work?
Yes, there was some exciting development in color. 19th century chemists created new shades of blue, green, and yellow that gave impressionist painting their signature shimmering quality.
This make their colors really they stand out in their work. It's amazing how much technology influenced their art.
This technology breakthrough allowed them to break away from traditional technique and create something entirely new.
And now Impressionism is recognized as one of the most significant movements in art history.
Exactly, it's fascinating to think that what started as a rejection of the norm ended up creating such a lasting impact on the art world.
I did not realize that so many innovations come together to shape Impressionism.
Absolutely, the scientific advancement of the time provided artists with new tools and material.
Were there any particular artists who stood out during the early days of the Impressionist movement?
Definitely, his painting impression, Sunrise, is actually where the movement got its name.
That's incredible. I seen Impression sunrise before.
Exactly, Monet was a master using light and color to convey the atmosphere of skin.
I guess that my many of his paintings feel the dynamic, like you experience the skins firsthand.
Yes, they focus on the experience of the moment rather than the precise detail.
I can see how that would be a revolutionary approach compared to the more rigged and formal styles that come before.
It was the Impressionists faced a lot of criticism initially because their work was so different from what was traditionally accepted.
I can imagine it must have been thought to challenge the established norms of the time.
Over time, people began to appreciate their unique approach to capturing life's fleeting moment.
It's amazing how they think of the art history.
Indeed, their influence can still be seen in many modern arts movements today.
It's inspiring to think about how they paved the way for future artists to experience and innovate.
That's one of the lasting legacy of Impressionists, showing that art doesn't have to adhere to strict rules.
Yes, it makes me appreciate the movement even more. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, same.